Welcome to our YouTube video. Finally, a HubSpot tutorial that's actually easy to understand. HubSpot is a fantastic tool for boosting your business growth, making your team more efficient, and saying goodbye to those jumbled platforms you used to call your tech stack. But HubSpot can look overwhelming with all its features. Whether you're new to it or just need a quick refresher, that's why we've put together a guided tour through the platform to show you what you can do with it and how to get the most out of it. Before we continue, if this is your first time on our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That way you won't miss out on our latest tutorials every week. HubSpot CRM is a fantastic tool that smoothly blends all your data, your teams, and your customers into one easy-to-use platform. All you need is a HubSpot account and it's free. Just go to HubSpot.com and sign up for your free account. With a HubSpot account, you can easily set up your company and contact records in the CRM. This way, your sales, marketing, service, and operations teams can all access the same customer data from one central spot. Contact record. Let's walk you through how to create a contact record in your HubSpot account. Go to the Contact section. In the upper right corner, hit Create Contact. Start by entering the contact's name and email. More fields will show up as you go. If you want to customize the information, just click Edit this form at the top. Now in the Associate Contact With section, look for and choose any records that are related to this contact. If you want to tweak these associations, you can again click Edit this form. If your account includes marketing contacts, tick the Set this contact as a marketing contact box. This tells your marketing team they're good to reach out to. Once you're all done, just click Create Contact. And if you're switching from another CRM or have contact data in a spreadsheet, just click Import Contact. We'll talk more about importing contacts as we move forward. When you're done creating your contacts, you can go to the Contact section to see a list of all your contacts. You can filter them based on different criteria, like who owns the contact, when it was added, or the status of the lead. You can also use more advanced filters for more customization. To check out a contact's info, just click on Preview, and on the right side, you'll find key details like the customer's name, company, email, and any other info you've entered. For a more detailed look, click on the customer's name and a new window will pop up with all their data. From the toolbar on the left, you can add notes, send emails, make calls, set reminders, schedule meetings, and more. Up in the top toolbar, you'll see a history of all your interactions with this contact over time. You can click on these entries to expand and even reply to emails right there. You can also easily access a bunch of useful information about your interactions with this customer. That includes checking out any notes, recorded phone calls, and reviewing any tasks related to them. You'll also see any ongoing deals, customer service tickets, or payments. And if you've ever sent them email attachments, you won't have to hunt through your inbox. They'll all be right there for you to see. In fact, contacts are a crucial piece of the puzzle. They help your teams understand your customers better, just like the company record in the HubSpot CRM. Company record. Having a well-structured company record is super handy for your team. It helps everyone stay informed about specific organizations. And once you have it set up, you can connect it to other records like contacts, deals, and tickets. Setting up a company record in the HubSpot CRM is super easy. Just head to the top left corner and click on Contacts. Then scroll down and select Companies. You'll notice that this looks pretty similar to the contact setup, with company name, owner, and creation date info. If you want to customize these columns, maybe you're keen to see what type of company is. Just hit Edit. Drag and drop the specific detail you want to the top, and click Apply. That detail will be right there where you want it. This drag and drop feature makes customizing your CRM incredible. Just like what we did with contacts, let's take a look at companies. Up in the top toolbar, you'll find a bunch of handy features including activity, notes, emails, calls, tasks, and meetings. You'll also see associated contacts, ongoing deals, tickets, payments, and similar features we explored earlier with contacts. And you can take action right from that toolbar. For instance, clicking Note lets you create a note that's saved in your CRM and visible to your entire team. If you have customer data stored in an old CRM or a spreadsheet, moving it into HubSpot is also easy. Here's how. Click on Contacts. In the top right corner, you'll see an option that says Create Contact or Import. Choose Import and click Next. Pick the file you want to import, select the language, and click to continue. If you followed the prompts correctly, HubSpot will check for any data errors. After that, it automatically matches your spreadsheet's data fields with HubSpot CRM. Finally, hit Finish Import and watch HubSpot do its thing. It might take a moment, but you'll get an email when it's ready. After that, you can see how many new records are being added in real time. You can always customize your view by clicking on Edit Columns if you want, and that's all. Deals Pipeline. Now that you can create contacts and company records, let's get your sales team into action using the Deals Pipeline in your HubSpot CRM. To set up your Deals Pipeline, go up to the top and click on Sales. Select Deals. This will take you to your sales pipeline, where you can see different stages of the sales process. If you want to modify those stages, click the drop-down menu and choose Edit Pipeline. You can adjust the probability of deal closures and even add new stages. To add a deal to your sales pipeline, hit Create Deal. Name your new deal, add its value or estimate, set the close date, choose the deal owner, specify if it's a new or existing business, set its priority, and link it to a contact. You can also select a company and add items from quotes. Finally, click Create Deal. Once you've done all that correctly, you'll see your deal automatically appear in your deal pipeline. When you go back to the deal section, you'll find your new deal in the right stage of the pipeline. Plus, you'll easily spot the dollar amount, the projected close date, and at the bottom you can see how much money is in each stage of your sales pipeline at any given time. Now that your deal is created, you can simply drag and drop as it moves through the sales process. The deal totals will update automatically if sales status changes. Reports. One more thing to know about: reports. With HubSpot, you won't have to stress over sorting through heaps of organizational data. HubSpot does the reporting work for you. It comes with a bunch of pre-made reports and dashboards that give your sales, service, and marketing teams the data they need. All you have to do is head up to the top toolbar and click on Reports and Dashboards. You'll find a whole lot of pre-built dashboards with different reports to choose from. These cover things like business unit overviews, chat conversations, and a variety of marketing and sales insights. You can handpick the ones you want on your dashboard. Just click on the specific dashboard you're interested in. Hit Next, decide if you want it to be private or visible to everyone. Give it a name, and click Create Dashboard. And all your data that's already in your CRM will automatically show up in the brand new dashboard you've just created. It's a quick way to get your sales insights organized and ready. HubSpot CRM is designed for effortless use and seamless adoption by your team. It simplifies the process of unifying customer data for your sales, marketing, and service teams within a single user-friendly platform. Plus, it's flexible and can evolve with your business as it grows. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll be the first to catch all our latest updates. Until next time, good luck.